Until relatively recently, virtually all commercial software was proprietary software. So let's consider what that means. If you have proprietary software, only software owners, those who distribute it originally, have the full legal access to the source code. They may give trusted partners the rights to inspect the code, especially if they want to develop companion products, but they will be forced to sign a non-disclosure agreement or NDA, and the source remains closed to a wider audience. It may be the case that the owners wrote the code or they may have bought it from somebody else, etc. Now, if you use proprietary software, you have to sign a license, and that license will restrict the rights. Such licenses generally say you can't redistribute the software. They protect the owner of the software from any damages that will be due to either the misuse or malfunction of the software. In other words, they identify the people you got the software from, and you're not allowed to reconstruct the source code or use inside another product. There may even be restrictions on how a product is used. Note that even open source software has license restrictions, but it's the nature of the restrictions that's different. Price is not the point. Proprietary software may be cheaper in terms of total cost of ownership than using open source software, but with open source software, the license permits you to redistribute, modify, reuse the code, adapt it to your needs, etc., according to what kind of license you adopt and how your company uses it. So that's a brief explanation of what the nature of proprietary software is.